think those are, I think that's like a little vent right there. Okay. Now, okay, you got your blueprint, you got your vehicle. Okay, it looks the same, right? Make sure everything looks the same, it matches.
Yeah.
Okay.
It matches.
Okay, we're gonna go to the next page. Now you gotta get this part right here. No, that's not it. Look at all your parts.
Yeah, I think it's
Look at the blueprint. It's this part right here. See? It looks just like this. You see?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you put it right here?
Well, you have to look at the blueprint first and see where you put it at. Okay?
Oh, you gotta go there.
You have to go right there. Now, okay. You're at step 17. Okay, you got the black triangles. Okay, after you put these on, you need to get these parts. You gotta get 2 of them.
Okay. Then I just stick them right here, right?
I don't think that's the right part. You're supposed to put it there. You need 2 of these. Find the other black piece that looks like that. Remember, you always want to, you're right here, step 17, okay?
Okay.
Look how the indentation is, okay? Now,
Okay.
you want to put it right here, like that. You see?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it on, Damaris?
Yeah.
Okay. Does everything look the same?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I
All
got
right.
this on.
Okay. We're going to change the page.
Okay.
And we're going to go. You got to get these 2 pieces that look like that. Where those parts at? Okay. Here you go.
Here. Now keep putting up.
Okay. Now look how they go. Okay. Look how they go. They go over the tire. Okay. You want to put it right there. See? Oops, no, that's not it. We made a mistake. Hold on. It's supposed to go over the tire. Okay, so we want to take this off. Take this off. Okay, take that off. Oh, I guess it do go right there. Okay. Yeah. Okay, put that one on the other side. Oh no, we're making a mistake. Hold on. It's supposed to go up here at the top. Okay, yeah, it's supposed to go here. There we go. It's supposed to go right there.
Except for the right parts.
Yeah, see? Yeah.
There's a hole. There it is.
You got it, Dominique?
Yes.
Okay.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's the way it's supposed to look. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna turn the page.
Okay. So I got all the pieces on.
Okay, you got to find this part right here.
Okay.
Little black box. It has four pieces, four studs at the top. I think you want this one right here. You want that one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you want to put that one?
Put it right here.
No. You want to look at your blueprint. You see where it goes? It goes right here. No, not right there. Right here. Right there, like that. Boom.
So,
Like that. That's how the blueprint looks, right?
yeah.
Okay. Now we want to turn the page. Okay. Now you want to get all three of these little black pieces right here. All three of those. Okay. See?
Okay.
And put them down so you can see what they are. Is that it? Are those pieces blue? Okay, yep, those pieces are blue. So get these pieces first, okay? Put those on first. They go right here, right there. Right there. You got them on?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Is that how it goes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, after these pieces right here, you want to get two of those. Where are those parts at? You got to find those parts. Damaris, how you doing? Okay. I engineer, you engineer. You can figure it out. Just take your time, look at your blueprint. Okay?
I got it on.
You got it on there?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay, yeah. That's it. Okay. Now, you have to find this piece right here at the top.
Is this it?
Nope, that's not it. Look at your blueprint. Look right here. That's what it looks like. I think this is the part that you want right there. Okay. Yeah.
So we put it right here.
Yeah. That's where it goes. Okay, now where are we at in the blueprint? Okay, now you have to look. Okay. Keep it right there. Same way. Where are those parts at? Did you find those parts? Oh, okay, they're right here.
I didn't find this part though. It's like impossible to find.
No, it's not. See, that's why you want to keep everything nice and neat.
Oh, there it is.
See? So you can see where all your parts are.
Okay.
Okay, put that one on. Yeah, there you go. You know what to do. There. Okay.
It's on.
You're done? Okay. Turn the page. Okay. It's on?
Yeah.
Is it on the right way?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Yeah. Nope, you got to turn it around. You got to turn it around. You see? The slope goes the other way. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, just take it off.
Get it off.
Yes, you can. Let me see. There you go. You want to make sure it's facing the other way, like that. There you go. Now we in business. Okay. Okay, keep your blueprint in front of you, okay?
Okay.
Keep your car in your workspace.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you want to get this part right here that looks like this. Where's that part at? There you go. That's it. Okay. Now, you really have to look at your blueprint and see where it goes. Okay. Where does it go? It goes right here on the back, right there. Okay. It goes on the back of the car. Turn your car around. You have to look at your blueprint. Make sure you're putting it on right. Not there. You want to put it. You want to put it right here. Right in between there. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Got it.
You got it. That's right. You did it. Okay. Now, you want to find this part right here. Where is that part at?
It's right. Is this it?
Yep, that's it. That's the part you're looking for. Okay, look at your blueprint and see how it goes.
Here.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, keep going. You can do it. Okay, where are we at in the blueprint? Right here. What about these, where the, okay, here's another one, the round ones right there. Do you have these on there? Okay, you put those on there already. Okay. No, I don't think that's it. I think it's shorter. It's a shorter triangle looking piece. Let me see here. Pick up your book. Make sure you don't have any parts under your book. Oh, is that it? Okay. Nope, that's not it because, let me see. Oh, you got this part on there already. Okay. Okay. Let me see. You got this part right here? No parts under there. What's the part by your hand? Let me see. Okay, now where are we in the blueprint? We're right. Okay.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, here I come.